Hello viewers, welcome to KG Vlogs Tamil. Today we have to see how we are taking milk from Git cow, and it will be very happy to see till the end of the video because this video will be going to entertain you all, and it is very beautiful nature and wind blowing video. It will be very interesting to watch. While we taking milk, it's very hard to take milk from Git cow. Women's really can't take milk from Git cow. It's very hard. Only men's can take milk from Git cow, I think so, because it is very hard teats to squeeze milk from the milk Git cow. I think in that area, Rajasthan, Gujarat, in that area, women's they will take idea. In idea, they know how to take from the Gir cow teats. They have some ideas, but we don't know. In south side or in south area, we are interested to buy Gir cow, and we are. I am suffering. How to squeeze. It was very hard, and I have shoulder pain and have arm pain. My hand is paining a lot, but it is very good milk, ghee milk, golden milk, superb milk, very tasty curd, cheese, paneer, everything. Okay, go through one video and enjoy the video. I think it will be help you all. That's why I had made in English subtitles. Those people don't know Tamil language, you can't understand in link language. English is the link language. I tried my best in this video. Watch till the end and like, share. After we take the milk, we have to filter the milk because many dust will come in milk while we take. That's why this milk I am going to keep it for evening for fridge. I'll go and place in fridge, and this milk is going to put some filter coffee for everyone. Okay, you can place the milk in the stove, and I'm not going to add little bit water. Also, your filter coffee milk is ready. Filter coffee method is we have to put 3 to 4 spoons of coffee powder and boiled hot water. We have to filter it before we make coffee, before half an hour, and we have to put some jaggery powder for taste sweetens. We have to pour milk. That's it. Our filter coffee is ready. This is the traditional way making filter coffee. It was awesome to drink. Very superb filter coffee, and healthy coffee too. And one more filter coffee for my hub. Okay, can we go and see my little playing calf? He is very naughty fellow. He is very active. He is Gir calf, but it is a slightly crossbreed calf. See the mom and calf. He is feeding to his mom. I think he is very hungry. This gir cow is 6 years old and the calf is 10-month old. They are going to grassing. Gir cow and the calf name is Inga. Gir cow name is Krishna Devi. See the jackfruits. I think squirrels and birds had bitten it. We have to remove.
Chika.
And she is Ishika.
Chika kutti.
She is 8.5 months.
Ichikku. Ichikku.
Pregnant. So she looks very black in her face and legs. She is 6.5 years old. Inga is milking to her mom. Gir cow to her gir cow. She is gir cow Krishna Devi. Watch till the end. It's very happy to see these videos with natures. It will be very happy to watch. A wind blows. Wow. How coconut trees are blowing by wind. Very noisy. It was very noisy. We had seen Gaja storm past 2018, I think so. Yeah, 2018. Till now we can't forget Gaja storm. Okay. Wow, see the small neem tree. We have to save the tree. Okay, we can cut the jackfruits. Still it didn't ripe. So we have to wait for 2 days. And small jackfruit also. It will be very tasty. Wow, cute, very cute. Inga boy is playing. He is very naughty fellow. If we knock out him, he will be always playing with every cows and calves, and he won't let anybody to walk in that area. He will go and hit everybody. I am very happy to capture Inga. Inga, I like to watch calves while these calves running. Superb. Wow, what a win. It was nice to see and feel the wind with our cows and calf. I'm very happy. Just watch how he is playing. Wow, He is a male calf. I think this video will help for other languages peoples. While we speak in English language, English is the link language. That's why I had put in this video in English language too. So you peoples like, share and comment and subscribe too. Watch till the end. Inga boy will be playing. Very funny. Inga kutti, ஒரே அட்டகாசம் அட்டகாசம். This is a Gir cow milk, and we had prepared curd from Gir cow's milk. Wow, how it looks superb, and it tastes very good taste for curd rice. We have come to our end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching KG Vlogs Tamil.